2012 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, OnStar, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front, power steering, alloy wheels, cruise control, keyless start, keyless entry, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, rear defrost, power locks, MP3 playback stereo, power door locks, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.